Still typing in NitroType like it's 2019? Nah bro, it's 2025, and there's a hack that types everything for you. More wins, more money, more cars, without even touching the keyboard. Let me show you how to install the NitroType Autotyper in just a few steps. First, go to the GitHub link I've added in the description. Yes, it's safe, clean, and tested by hundreds of players. Scroll down until you see a link. Click on that. Once you click it, you'll get a file named nitrohypeinstaller.exe. Click on it, and your download will start automatically. It's only a few MBs, super lightweight. Now open the file. You'll probably get a pop-up saying, Windows protects your PC. Just click More Info, and then click Run Anyway. The installer will launch. Click Next, then click Install. Once it's done, click Finish. And boom! You'll see something crazy. It looks exactly like the NitroType website, but this is the hacked version. Now, log into your NitroType account. Open Settings and enable AutoStart. Use Nitro and Auto Game. Adjust the typing speed to something realistic. I recommend under 120 words per minute. Then just start a race. And the bot will take over. It types everything automatically. Fast, accurate, no hands needed. And yeah, that means more races, more cash, more XP. All while you're literally chilling. Maybe eating chips or watching a movie. It does the grinding, you do the flexing. Simple. If this helped you out, drop a like, comment Auto OP below, and subscribe for more secret NitroType tools. The GitHub link is in the description. Grab it before it disappears.